Today we're back with another video and we're going to be discussing what is Pinterest.com. So let's get started and create an account. You're just going to put in your email address and then you're going to create whatever password you want and then you're going to put in your age. So let's do that and let's get back in a minute. So once you've put in your email and set your password, Pinterest is going to ask you a few questions so it can customize your board for you. So we're just going to move ahead. And you can select whatever language you prefer. And here you're gonna select whatever you're interested in. So let's start with we're interested in furniture, we're interested in design, we're interested in travel, and we're also gonna be interested in hobbies and crafts and books. Okay, once you've selected a couple of interests, Pinterest will customize your home feed for you. I've just opened Pinterest and now I can see so many ideas for furniture, for home, for this kind of natural aesthetic and this pleasing and vibrant travel themed aesthetic. So if you're someone who's searching for a aesthetic for your business, for your Instagram, for your social profiles, this is a great way to find your specific niche. And over here, you can go to your account. Okay, so once you save something, it will add it to your board. And your board is basically like your scrapbook. See, over here, I'm going to see all of the things I've saved. And that's my board. Your board acts as your own personal notebook where you can save all kinds of posts from Pinterest. And posts on Pinterest are named as pins. So basically, Pinterest is just a very large scrapbook. And you can just scrap whatever you like and put it on your page. So let's search for something very specific. Let's search for basketball. See, in my saved pins, I have nothing related to basketball. But Pinterest will provide me with other content that is related to basketball. And if I like something, I can just save it. And now I will go to my saved pins, click on your profile picture or profile button, and then you will go to your board. And now I can see this in my saved pin board, you could say. Let's search for something else. I'll just show you guys a couple of different searches so you can see what kind of content is present on Pinterest. Pinterest provides with any kind of content, so let's go back to the home page and search for mangoes. That's like a very odd search, but you will see so many different kinds of mango related recipes, pictures, smoothie recipes, salsa recipes, dessert recipes, cheesecake recipes, and you can see Pinterest really helps you in searching very niche ideas. So I just searched mangoes and it's giving me so many great suggestions related to my search. And if I like this, and if I click on something, I like this idea, I like this recipe, I can just save it. And I'm gonna go back to my board and here I have it. And whenever I'm ready to create this recipe, I can just go to my board and click on it and there I go. I can start working. So in this way, Pinterest is a great search engine to find visual answers to your questions. So Pinterest is considered one of the fastest growing sharing channels on the internet, and in 2013 it beat out traditional emails. So Pinterest is a very large platform, and in terms of marketing, the quality content that is present on Pinterest has a better chance of spreading organically to people. So marketers actually prefer if their content is posted on Pinterest instead of traditional marketing or traditional advertising, because growth on Pinterest is very organic, which is very important nowadays because everything can be sponsored and everything is considered to be a paid post. However, on Pinterest, it's usually considered very much unrelated, any other external sponsorship. Like in this photo, you can see Coca-Cola in the back image, you can see Nikes, or that's really not the focus of the aesthetic that is being presented. Some retailers have even said that Pinterest referrals allow them to better estimate their future demands and upcoming demand for different products. If it's going to increase, if something is going to go out of style, Pinterest analytics actually help them far more than traditional analytics. If you are looking to make some money on Pinterest, you're gonna apply for their verified merchant program. There are quite a few drawbacks with this program because it's only available in a couple of countries. And let's take a look where Pinterest verified merchant program is available. It's only available if you live in Australia, Canada, Germany, France, United Kingdom, and the United States. But if you live in those countries, this can be very helpful for you. So what is the verified merchant program on Pinterest? Well, it allows you to sell your products, your pins, and your catalog of whatever kind of items they may be. They may be included in your pins. You might post your catalog separately, and you can sell that through Pinterest. So this helps you generate organic sales and create a larger marketplace for your items. So if you want to become a verified merchant, you will have to meet their guidelines and post your catalog beforehand, and as you can see here. So to get started with becoming a verified merchant on Pinterest, you're going to have to create a business account on Pinterest, have your own website, and then you'll have to meet their merchant guidelines, and you will have to negotiate some kind of shipping policy and refund policy. Then you will also have to create your own data source. So you're going to have your own hardware that is going to be hosting your product catalog. And your product catalog also needs to be approved by Pinterest. As you can see here, you will have to have your own website for this purpose. So if you don't have a website, you're going to have to create that first, and then you can start selling whatever kind of products that you have. And if this seems too difficult for you, and if you're not from the 6 countries that Pinterest allows for verified merchant program, then you can move on to Dribbble. So Dribbble is another website just like Pinterest, but it has a lot of pros in it, especially if you're looking for work related to graphic designing, if you're looking to hire someone to do your graphic designing, and even to find inspiration that is not so basic and not so widely available. So if you want something unique and with a little bit of more zest, you can move on to Dribbble. So Dribbble allows you to find inspiration for your work, just as Pinterest does. It allows you to set mood boards and create, your own kind of style and aesthetic. But a good part of Dribbble is based on finding work and giving work. So if you're looking for a job, or if you're just looking for a freelance project, you can find that very easily on Dribbble. So let's just look at freelance projects. And then you're going to scroll down and you're going to see there are so many projects available. And these are just the recent ones that have been posted. And you can even find a permanent job or, a contract-based job. Using Dribbble, you can find a permanent or a contract-based job. Let's see. See over here, only today 15 jobs have been posted and most of them are still available. You can apply for them. They include designers, engineers, graphic designers, product designers, people in charge of marketing. And the great part about these jobs and a great part about the freelance gigs is you don't need a degree to sign up and start working. You just need to have the skill and you just need to have the drive to start working. So for that purpose, Dribbble is a whole lot better than Pinterest. Also, if you're someone that's starting their own business and you're looking to hire someone, you can do that using Dribbble. And if you click on hire designers, you can search for very specific designers. And for this purpose, you will have to subscribe to Dribbble and create a paid account, but that will be very helpful if you're trying to expand your business and you need to hire a bunch of people. I think it's worth signing up for Dribbble. So that was it for Pinterest, and I hope you guys are able to find the aesthetic and the kind of inspiration you need, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.